everyone. Today we'll be talking about how to remove and replace all of the components of a Systech MediaFill. A really large benefit of Systech MediaFills is the accessibility we have in order to thoroughly clean the instrument. On the MediaFill, there's 3 removable parts, so that will be the carousel, the lid, and the revolver. The lid really easily comes out of the side, just like this. The revolver just pops out like that. And the carousel, you'll see around the outer edge of the carousel, we have these blue tabs. I look at these as handles, so aim to put your hand in between each of the blue tabs. So once I do that, I can just grab 2 on either side and pick it up and set it aside. Now that we've removed all the parts of the MediaFill, we can really easily access the instrument in order to do deep cleaning. You'll see on the touch screen, we can index the feeder and stacker pistons up and down so we can get underneath of those areas and really thoroughly sanitize the system. The revolver goes back into position really in any orientation. So if I just slide it back in and turn it around, it'll settle back into its home. I prefer to replace the revolver when the unit is still on because the motor is on and it provides a little more tension so the unit can more easily find its positioning. And then the lid just goes back onto the side just like this. And then the carousel will sit back on the instrument in one specific orientation due to the areas dedicated for feeding and stacking. You'll also see around the unit we have these locking pins. There is a false bottom on the system, so in order for it to correctly sit in position on those locking pins, we can just turn the false bottom until we hear it click into position. And then once we've replaced all of those components of the MediaFill, we can continue with our plate pouring programs.